Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Remove the new wiper blade from the packaging. You will need to remove the pre-installed connector from the new blade by turning it 180 degrees and press it down. Align the slot on the underside of the P5 connector with the rivet pin in the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector assembly onto the wiper blade mounting rivet pin. Slide the opening of the connector to the arm until you see or hear the locking tab engage. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to cycle the wiper blades after replacement to make sure they are working properly.